Louis Vandervalk with Blue Crocus Solutions here. Just wanted to pop on and give you some quick tips on setting up your Google business listing and how the process works and how it can benefit your business. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set up a free Google email. So it can be anything. It could be your business at Google at gmail.com. You can really do it. You can do it on your personal email. I would suggest if you don't have an email set up for your business, get one set up and then use that for this process. You're going to go to Google My Business. Just search Google My Business, and it'll be or www.google.com/business. And I've got an email set up here now, and I'm going to just walk you through the process here, and we're going to learn a few things about this. So first thing you're going to do is I'm just going to set this up with a random business just to show you. So what you're going to do is you're going to search for your business name, and if it shows up, you probably have some other stuff online that Google is pulling from. But if not, let's just go with this. So Calgary Roofing Experts. Let's say that's the name of the business. We'll go next. It just basically asks you to clarify. So I'd probably capitalize this here because the way that you set this up, is the way it's going to show up for Google. So next, this is obviously a roofing business. Basically, if you're pressure washing, you can do that. If you're a paving business, you can do that. Just search for your business category and try and find the closest one. So this one's a roofing service. This location section is basically centered around whether or not people are coming to your location or if you're going out to meet them. So if you have a physical location, then definitely say yes. If you have an office, even if you are a service business, you can say yes. If you're using a home office or don't want customers to come visit you, just say no. So we're going to do that in this case. You will still have to enter an address because Google needs an address to verify your location, but this way your address won't show up on Google. Where do you serve your customers? So we're going to be Calgary. You are able to add up to 10 locations, I believe, and this allows you to show up in some different suburbs, but we'll just start in with the one. And in this case, you're going to enter your phone number. I'll just enter my agency phone number here, and you will also have the ability to enter a website. So this is where some people are not sure what to do because they don't have a website set up. You don't need a website set up. What you can do is you can get a free website, and Google will basically populate a simple website that they own off of the details that you enter. You can also, if you have a website, you can enter it here, or you can take your Facebook page for your business and enter that as the website. So in this case, we'll just say I don't need a website. And if you want updates and recommendations, you can say yes, and you'll basically get emails from Google talking about what they're doing and how things are looking for your business. Do you need to do this? No, I believe you can unsubscribe later. I usually don't because I'm pretty aware of what's going on, but we'll just press next. So now it'll basically take you to the part where you need to verify your listing. So Google does this so that there are not listings online that are fake. And so basically what you're going to do is you're going to enter your address, whatever it is, whether it's your home office or your actual physical address. So I'll just skip this, but you're going to enter that in, and then you're going to go next. And what that's going to do is it's going to get you to send a postcard to your location, and it'll walk you through that, and then you'll enter that password that comes on the postcard into Google, and that will verify your listing. So here we can enter various different services. We're going to do roof inspection, roof installation, repair. You can go in and change this later on, but these are some simple ones that apply to roofing. And here you're going to enter your business description. So it allows you to do up to 750 characters. I would definitely recommend that you do that. So this is, you're going to talk about what you do, the name of your business, probably put your phone number in there as well, and definitely talk about the location as well. So in this case, we're serving Calgary. So talk about, we serve Calgary, and then you can mention some different suburbs, things like that. And that will help Google to know where it is that you're working, and when people are searching for your business, you'll show up a bit better. So we'll just skip that. Here you'll add photos. I'd recommend, a photo for your logo. Probably 10 to 15 photos of work that you've done is a good start. And then look around at your competition and kind of see what they're doing, and try and do that many or more. I'll have a video here on how to optimize your Google business listing as well, so we can walk through that. And your business profile is almost ready, so we'll just continue. And this brings you into the dashboard. So here you can see it needs verification. And so this listing is not actually live on Google until it's verified. I'm not going to verify it because this is just a pseudo listing that I've done to walk you through the process, but this still gets you to see what it is that you're going to see when you hop in. So if we were to verify now, it would get you to enter the mailing address, and like I said before, and then it'll send a postcard off to you. Probably take, if you're in the States, it'll probably take about a week. If you're in Canada, it could take up to 2 weeks. Then the postcard will come, you'll enter the code in, and everything should be good to go. So here you'll see, there's, you're 40% done your listing. You can add hours, you can add description. That's what we walked. We just skipped that. And so you're basically going to see down here, if you go to info, this is where you can update all of that. So we've set this as no location. Service area is Calgary. Here we can add hours. So Sunday, we can say it's 24-hour, or we can set different times. So say we open at 7:30. These people work all the time, so they're 7:30 till 8 p.m. So they work long hours. Or you can just do the 24-hour, or you can do closed. You get the idea. Phone number, you can edit this phone number. You can add the website at any time if you need. You can edit the services. So in here, you can add more services. Let's say we do attic venting, gutter installation, so on and so forth. We can do that. So that took us down to the services page. So we'll go back to info here. And you can add the business description. Very important to add this. This is that window where it allows you to do 750 there. Then in photo, this is where you add the photos. So you can upload your logo, cover photo, and then you can upload video here. You can upload, pictures of you at work, pictures of your team, and then, your brand identity. I would recommend putting a few pictures in each of these tabs here. Just allows you to kind of show up for different things. So that's the basics that you need to know for setting this up. Obviously, you need to verify it before it goes live, and then once it's live, you can check in a couple weeks or whatever, and start adding some more photos and getting reviews and all of that. We'll have some more info on that coming out as well, but hope this has helped. Once again, this is Lewis with Blue Crocus Solutions, and we wish you all the best in your business. Cheers.